Today I'm going to be showing you what you can make with the Christmas Blockbuster from the Festive Friends Collection. Today I'm going to be using the Jingle All the Way topper set, the matching cardstock that is foiled, some snowfall acetate, some silver mirror and a 5x7 card blank. We're going to make this into an acetate easel card. So we're going to start building that up first of all. Now I've got our 5x7 card blank and we're going to use it this way round, almost like a tent fold. I'm going to open that up and our acetate easel is going to sit in there. So we're going to make that first of all whilst we can. This is a really easy card shape to make and it really makes your cards pop at Christmas time. So I'm going to take our snowfall acetate. And first of all, I'm going to trim it to size. And what I'm going to do is obviously leave myself extra room so that I can get my score line in as well. So I'm going to cut that first of all to 6x7. Okay, I'm then going to gently place that on my scoreboard, and on the 6 inches side I'm going to gently score that at the 5 to be the same size as my card blank. This gives us a really nice chunky tab that we can add onto our card. Now we're going to bring our card back in, and it's absolutely personal preference to you where you put this. You can put this on the inside of your card and then hide the workings with your cardstock and mirror, or you can hide it on the back here, have that butted up to the score line, and then hide this piece with either an insert or another piece of cardstock. It's absolutely up to you. So we're going to give this a little burnish and we're going to put it on the inside of our card today. Okay, so I'm going to use some double-sided tape. You can use your red high-tack tape for this project if you want to. That's going to make your project really, really nice and strong. And then I'm going to gently just have a little bit of movement on that score and place that up to the end of my card blank. I'm then going to just open that out. Give that a really good press and sort of manoeuvre the score line as well so it's nice and firm. Perfect. I'm then going to move on and make the mats and layers for my card. So one is going to be the base of my card and then one is just going to go behind here as well. So I can get both of these out of our foiled cardstock. And I need to cut 2 mats and layers. So what I'm going to do first of all is on our longer side of card so that we have enough for both. I'm going to cut that to 2 notches under the 5. And then same again for your 7 inches on there. I'm going to leave a 2 notch gap for my mirror. Okay, perfect. And I'm now going to place those onto my card. Perfect. So I'm then going to just check that everything opens and closes perfectly, and again I'm going to give my acetate another really good firm burnish. Okay, I'm then going to take my toppers here, and I am going to use the trio of toppers on the front. I'm going to use our snowflake border as a stopper and a sentiment to finish. Okay, so first of all, I want to create my stopper using a foam pad strip. So I'm going to grab one of those now and place it all along the border. I'm going to gently place that down on there, just stopping where I naturally want my card to stop, making sure it's nice and straight as well. Again, I'm just going to give this another burnish so that it sits really crisply onto my card. I'm then going to trim off the overhang of my border and save any excess for other projects. And then I'm going to put some square foam pads on each of my toppers. I'm going to gently place those onto my acetate. With them being square, they should be really nice and easy to cover up any workings. I'm going to just gently get my layout in order and place them just like so on top of the acetate. And then finally, I'm going to go in with our Ho Ho Ho. And I'm also going to use Happy Christmas as well. They're going to look beautiful on the bottom of my easel, and I'm going to use some foam pads again, just for that extra height and definition. Finally, just to finish my card, I'm going to go in with some crystal gemstones. You can embellish this further as much or as little as you like. And that is our acetate easel with the Jingle All the Way topper set all done.